To set up 360 reality audio for your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, all you need to do is simply launch the Sony Sound Connect app and select your buds. From here, you want to scroll and tap on Device Settings and then choose the option Sound Quality/Volume. From here, you should see 360 Reality Audio Setup. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you want to create a hearing profile. So all you need to do is simply tap on Create and then confirm that you want to install the 360 Reality Audio. So tap on Next, Next, and then tap on Start Setup. So you can tap on Start, and then as you're wearing your buds, you can choose between A or B as you go ahead and set up your hearing profile for your Sony Sound, your 360 Reality Audio. And then once you've finished going through the process, it will simply tell you creating hearing profile. So just wait a few moments. And then once it's been created, just tap on Next. So you can just choose to select Proceed to Optimize App, or you can choose to do that later depending on what you choose. But if you choose to end it now, bear in mind you won't have been successfully setting up your 360 Reality Audio. So just go ahead and install the apps that are needed so that you can be able to properly use this feature. It will give you 3 apps that are available for this specific use. So you can go ahead and select one of the apps, install it, and optimize it to its peak performance.